Dajahao, hello everyone. I'm Das of TranquiliTEA, and today we'll be making a 16-ounce glass of iced tea. Today I'll be using Peach TranquiliTEA, a fruit-based herbal tea with lots of apples, pears, and other good fruits. It's 100% natural and it'll be delicious. So, to make this single glass of iced tea, I'll be using a bottom dispensing infuser teapot. These are really easy. You can put the tea directly into here and just put it on top of your cup when it's done brewing. It drains out the bottom, tea leaves stay in the pot, it's great. So for this, I'm going to be using 3 teaspoons of our Peach TranquiliTEA. If this was a black or a green tea, you'd use a little less, but for herbal tea, you use more to get a little stronger flavor because it is naturally a little bit weaker. So put it in the teapot. I'm going to use about 8 to 9 ounces of boiling hot water, just right in there. Close it down, and then we have to let it brew for about 5 minutes. Here I have a little timer with 3, 4, and 5 minute settings on it for if you like your tea a little stronger or a little weaker. Okay, I've had the tea brewing for almost 5 minutes. So if you'd like to add anything to sweeten the tea, be it sugar, honey, Splenda, whatever, I would do that now. It'll let it dissolve a lot better than if you try to do it when it cools down. So now that it has finished the 5 minutes, you want to get a cup of you fill your glass up with ice pretty much up to the top. Most of the ice will be gone by the time the tea is done. So with this, you can just take it, put it right on top, and just let the tea drip out. When all the tea is out, lift it up, give it a little mix to make sure that everything is nice and cold. If you want, you can add in a lemon, whatever you'd like. Put a little lemon wedge in there. Take your straw and enjoy your tea.